Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? Sorry I haven't done videos in a few days. I've just been really under the weather. I'm trying to shake whatever bug I have. It's not been easy. I spend most of my time sleeping, which sounds nice, but it's not. I ain't feeling like a day's gone to waste. Of course, I've been keeping my eye on cryptocurrency as well as gold. I'm happy to see them both moving in a good direction. I know there's a man out there feeling really happy about the direction that Bitcoin is going into, and so should all the people that I've encouraged to buy gold and silver and actually paid attention and bought on in. So let's get into this, shall we? Before we get started, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I certainly do appreciate it. You can follow me over on other platforms. I do have my own group over on Facebook called Pimpy's Investment Chat. Over here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. So head on over here and join us. It's free to do so. In here, I do post updates. If I should get on suspension from YouTube or get removed from YouTube and you want to know what happened to me, I'll let you know right here in this group. I can be found on Twitter, MeWe, YouTube, and the cool thing about YouTube, if you come over here and you join and you find my channel, I got videos going back, I believe, a couple years. So if you want to see some older videos that I have on Nasera, Jacera, gold, silver, cryptos, come on over here and join. Look me up and check out my videos. You can also find me on Odyssey. Catch me on Rumble. When I say that the links for all these are down below in the description, some of you don't know what I'm talking about. It's real simple. Just go down to the bottom right here of any of my videos. See this? This is the description. Hit show more. And there are all the links to all the platforms I just spoke about. So if you do want to head on over to Money Middles, just click it. And there you are. So come on over. Join us. I look forward to having you. You know, I started doing YouTube hoping to just keep people informed. Get people going in the right direction. Always encourage people to buy gold and silver more than anything else. So it always makes me feel good when I see notes like this, because it is encouraging. This comes from Jeffrey. He says, I think, no, Pimpy is the best. He is. He has encouraged me more through his practice of practical approach, and I'm becoming Pimpy rich. He is well respected by everyone I talk to at Money Metals Exchange, and his encouragement, which is free to all of us, has me in a better place than before I heard him over 3 years ago. He is real. He doesn't or hasn't changed in the 3 years I've listened to him. And questions I've asked of him, he's answered. Topics I've asked him to cover, he has. It's not immediate, nothing is. I enjoy his perspective immensely. The only thing different between you and I is I have faith, not just in Pimpy, but Father God, Jesus, Divine Mother, myself, the list goes on. The challenging journey is for us all to embrace and grow from. If you were just handed stacks of cash right now, would you grow from that? How would you grow? In faith? I kind of doubt that. I'm writing this because I don't like reading Pimpy having to defend himself on this channel. If you don't like it, watch what you do like. Stop bullying. Pimpy and his channels have inspired my faith, my belief, my accountability to myself. I've grown with his perspective, and I want y'all to try harder. Pimpy Rich is a destination for me, and I'm almost there. God bless Lee. Jeffrey, thank you. I really do appreciate the kind words. I don't mind so much that people attack. It's normal when you do YouTube channels. Look, I get accused a lot of time of attacking other content creators. It's not that I'm attacking them. It's usually whenever my content is contradicting what their content says, and they want clarity. So I don't mind doing that at all. That's what I'm here for. But if you've been listening to me now for as long as Jeffrey has, you got to be feeling really good about where you stand with gold and silver. Let's get into this, shall we? Well, now take a look at this. Bitcoin at $37,865. Ethereum above $2,000. XRP is at 61 cents. Solana is at $58.36. Cardano is at 38 cents. Dogecoin is at 8 cents. Chainlink is at $14.58. Polygon is at 75 cents. Polkadot's at $5.28. Litecoin's at $69.77. Boy, I'd have expected them to be as high as the other ones, but I guess not. Shiba is at 508. So when I think about what's going on and the direction that Bitcoin is going into, I know Michael Saylor has got to be feeling really happy right about now and not stressing as much as he was before. Even Terra Luna is up 16.59%. 301 still, but up there. Up 16.59%. High tide lifts all ships. I spoke about this. Looks like Satama has now deleted a zero. It is now 2010. Look at this. It's been maintaining all the way across. That's nice. Over the last 7 days, it is up 11.51%. Although over the last month, it is down 10.93%. But if you look at how much it's up over the last 3 months, look at this. It is up 57.87%. That's a pretty big gain over the last 3 months. Good job, Satama. Well, now looky here. We got gold above 2,000. Not only is it above 2,000, it is heading in the direction of 2,050. Gold sitting at $2,047.30 per ounce. Silver is above the $25 an ounce, sitting at $25.09 an ounce. So there's a lot of people who bought a lot of gold, people who bought a lot of silver when the squeeze was on. Just so you guys are aware, a second silver squeeze has started. That could be one of the reasons why silver is starting to jump up. Either way, I'm hoping you guys got in when you had an opportunity when gold and silver was much cheaper than this, and you're feeling pretty happy about the gains that you are getting. So hang tight because this ride ain't over. It's just getting started. I spoke about this when it comes to gold and silver. Once you hit around July, the prices start to dip down. But once we get somewhere around halfway through November, the prices start to rebound really good. And as you can see, they are. I've been consistently saying that now for over 3 years. And you can see that's exactly what is happening with precious metals. Bitcoin could jump 10% as it makes bullish moves heading into year end, technical analysis say. So up here you can see Fair Lead Strategies. Katie Stockton said Bitcoin's next resistant level is at 42,200. Well, we'll keep an eye on that, see if it happens. Like I said, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, we want consistency. So they have been consistent on going up. So it's something you should take in consideration. Bitcoin has been on a tear in 2023, and the gains could continue as bullish trends persist into year end, according to Fair Lead Strategies, Katie Stockton. Following the dismissal in 2022, Bitcoin has surged 132% year to date and could jump another 10% to its resistant level of 42,200. Well, these are the types of numbers we are looking for, but like I said, I know for a fact there's one person out there feeling really happy about this mood. This is a person who's been removed from the CEO position of his job onto another division altogether. I'm talking about Michael Saylor. MicroStrategy stock price reaches 2-year high, boosted by Bitcoin holding. So his company, after taking a major hit when Bitcoin took a dump. And you know what? It didn't deter Michael Saylor. He doubled down. He spent a few $100 million more to buy more Bitcoin when it was at its lowest point. So MicroStrategy, the enterprise business firm well known for its optimistic stance on Bitcoin, witnessed a surge in its stock prices, surpassing $500 on last Friday, marking levels not seen since December of 2021. So congrats to Michael Saylor, boasting a market capitalization of $7.33 billion. Yow, man, that's big. MicroStrategy's profitable approach of holding Bitcoin for the long term has yielded favorable results. Under the guidance of its founder and chairman, Michael Saylor, the company initiated the accumulation of cryptocurrency as a safeguard against inflation starting in August 2020. MicroStrategies experienced a doubling of its stock price within a month earlier this year. Doubling it. Nice. With its Bitcoin investments consistently appreciating, currently the company's Bitcoin holdings have turned profitable, with an average purchase price of $29,803 per coin after acquiring an additional 1,045 Bitcoins. That's when the price was low. Remember I was saying that Michael Saylor doubled down on it and bought more? So look at that. You're looking at cost average. So the fact that he bought another 1,045 when it was low, add that to the ones that he already had, it came out with an average price of $29,803. And Michael Saylor right now is looking like a hero. Currently, MicroStrategy possesses approximately 140,000 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $4.4 billion. Despite reporting a net loss of $143.4 million in its most recent quarterly report, MicroStrategy continued to strengthen its Bitcoin holding by acquiring 6,067 Bitcoin for $167 million. This accumulation now represents roughly 0.75% of Bitcoin's total circulating supply. So congrats to Michael Saylor. I know he's feeling really happy and he's feeling like the monkey is off his back. So now that it is profitable, should Michael Saylor dump some of them? Take some profit off. This way then, if it starts to tank again, it won't be such a huge loss. Or does he continue to ride this bull? Because it looks like it could be a bull run all the way to the end of the year. We're definitely going to keep an eye on it. I said high tide lifts all ships. That's exactly what's going on with cryptocurrencies. And yes, I told you I hold the meme coins because they were really cheap. High tide lifts all ships. When they get to a certain point, I'll sell them all. And what do you think I'm going to do with the money? You're darn right. I'm going to turn around and put it right back into gold and silver. So now is the time. If you're going to jump into cryptocurrencies and you get a big bump, make sure you take out some of your gains and buy gold and silver. That's always the safest bet for you. Don't get greedy because that's when you lose a lot of your money if all of a sudden it should tank. As far as those of you out there hold on to gold and silver, congratulations. I know a lot of you are very happy about what's going on. I see them in my private messages when you guys hit me up. Anyways, that's it for now. Feeling pretty good about the direction the market is going in. Let's hope it stays that way. That's it for now. I'm out.